Hello, madam. Happy 50th birthday. Wow, golden girl. Oh, kailan naman ang celebration natin yan, ha? Oh, wish ko lang sana, yumaman ka na yumaman. Para malibre mo na kami, charing. Actually, good health, more blessings. Okay, sana soon, makabakasyon na kayo. Okay? God bless. Happy 50th birthday ulit. Miss you, madam.
Happy birthday, Angie. Wish you all the best in life, good health always, and everlasting joy and happiness. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday!
Mate, happy 50th birthday. Sana ngayong birthday mo, kahit paano, sa itong paraan man lamang ay napasaya kita. Ingat ka dyan palagi. Siyempre, ang buong family mo. At sana, wish ko din na sa susunod na reunion natin ay magkita-kita na tayong mga magkaklase. Happy birthday. I miss you.
Hi Angela, happy 50th birthday. Yes, 50 na tayo, but you still look younger than the rest of our classmates. So stay pretty, happy, and healthy. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Happy 50th birthday, mate Angela. Wish you good health and good wealth. Golden ka na, pare-parehas na tayo. Anyway, life begin at 50 pa naman eh. Hope to see you on December. Sana magkita-kita at makumpleto naman tayo. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday and God bless.
Hello, mate Angela. Happy 10th birthday. Enjoy your day and I miss you.
Happy birthday. Happy golden birthday pala. Pare-pareho na tayong golden. At kahit na matanda na tayo sa edad, but we're still young at heart, diba? Sana lahat ng goals mo sa buhay, sa career, sa family, love life, especially your health. Sana okay naman lahat, no? And we really miss you and we're looking forward na makasama ka namin sa mga darating pa nating class reunions. Again, happy birthday, enjoy your day, we miss you and take care.
Hi, Inge, kumusta ka na? Grabe, 5-0 ka na, 50 parang di naman. Parang 35 pa nga eh. Pero pag madilim yun, nanalo mo pa nung nasa Utah, grabe yung mga tipid natin, tipid moments, yung maghanap tayo ng mga kalendarya. Tapos minsan Mr. Chips yung kinakain natin for meal natin, ganun para lang tipid-tipid, ganyan, quick-quick. Pero ngayon grabe, layo-layo mo na from Caloocan to Canada na grabe. Bigit ako sa'yo, sobrang proud ako kung paano mo hinandle yung plans mo for goals mo sa buhay. Sobrang sana mas saging healthy ka dyan, masaya. Siyempre, nandiyan yung family mo rin naman na yung buhay sa tabi mo. Sobrang masaya ka para sa'yo kung ano man yung nararating mo ngayon. Namimiss ka namin, sobrang namimiss ka na grabe. Hindi, siyempre, golden girl ka na, enjoy mo yung milestone mo. Magsimula ka na. Life begins now at 50. So, naman magsimula ka na ng magsimula ka na mag-diet. Siyempre, natanda tayo, natamata na, nakawala dito yung malamig. Siyempre, happy birthday, Angela. Sobrang, I love you. Miss you sana. Kapag uwi mo dito, sana soon yun, nakita tayo. Ako yung una sa salud mo sa'yo, may cake akong bibigay. Birthday cake, kahit anong araw pa yun, bibigay part ng birthday cake. Stay fabulous, funny, and young at heart. Love you.
Happy 50th birthday, Tita Angie. I hope you have a wonderful birthday. I wish that you come home very soon. But for the meanwhile, I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful birthday. I hope there's more blessings to come. Bye!
Angie, happy birthday. More blessing, more years to come. God bless you. God, good health always. Ingat kayo dyan palagi. I miss you. Bye-bye. I love you.
Happy golden year to you, my sister from another mother. I miss you dearly. Hoping you have a big blast on your birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Angie. I just want to thank you for being an amazing part of our family and for making my mom's a special part of your life. And I just want to let you know that we are so happy for you, and I always pray for you, for your success and for your family's success and happiness. And I just want to thank you for being there for our mom always when she's still here with us. I know that she is very proud of you in heaven. She's smiling at you and she's guiding you. Thank you, Ate Angie, for everything. We love you. I love you so much, and enjoy your day.
Hello, Angie, anak. Happy 50th birthday. Parang kailan lang eh. Mga bata pa kayo nung nandito pa kayo sa bahay. Ang bilis ng panahon. 50 years old ka na. Malapit ka nang maging lola. Biro lang. Wish you all the best, good health, and God bless you. and your family always. Happy birthday! Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. Might have took a long way. We knew we'd get there someday. They said, I bet they'll never make it. Not just a look at us holding on.
So happy birthday po, Tita Angie, and my wish for you, of course, is that you have more birthdays to come and that you may stay healthy and happy.
Hello, Angie! Kumusta na kayo dyan? Happy birthday! Tumanda ka na naman ng isang taon. Wala na kasi sila Jumong at Chay. Ako lang mag-isa. Solo flight ko rito. Wala akong kasama. Kaya ako na lang ang bumati sa'yo ng happy birthday. Ingat palagi dyan. Gusto mo akong kilahan.
Happy birthday, Tita Angie! Our birthday wish for you is more travels.
Prosperity, wisdom, and good health.
Man.
More travel.
Ako ito. And again, more the tune. God bless you always. Happy birthday, Tita Angie! Wish you more happiness.
Wishing you a good health and more happiness with your family.
And more success in your life and career. And long life. With Apelino. Again, happy birthday, Angie. We miss you and I love you so much. Happy birthday, Angie.
I wish you good health.
I wish you a long life.
I wish you for a successful job.
And I wish you more money.
Again, happy birthday. Miss you so much. Uwi ka na.
Happy birthday, Angie! 50 na kaya na, 50 na eh. 50 na eh, kumapwede ko mo. Labang kamo ko kayo, talagang makanda, hindi na ayaw ko yun eh. Yan eh. Inamuha ng pera mo kayo eh, ay tayo, kaya rin yung tubo ka mo. Kaya rin yung kagawin kayo, paibeta tubo niya pa yan eh, kung kano kayo umukin, ilang ikaga na ka, kaya na namin na ito. Okay, happy birthday!
Happy 50th birthday, Angie. Wish you more birthday to come. God bless. Take care always. Oh.
Hi! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Angie! Wish you all the best. And hope sana mas masaya at mas marami pang birthday na dumating sa inyo, lalo-lalo sa iyo. Good health and we miss you. We miss you so much. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Sana okay kayo eh.
Ingat kayo palagi dyan.
Ingat lagi kayo lahat yan.
Good health. Yun lang. Happy birthday. Bye!
Hi, Ate Angie. Happy birthday. So, thank you so much sa generosity and love mo sa aming mag-asawa. And sana mas marami ka pang birthday na i-celebrate at kung ano man yung wishes ng heart mo, sana matupad. Just pray for it and alam mo na nandito kami lagi para sa'yo. So, yan. We miss you, and we love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Annie.
Bye-bye!
Hi, Ninang Angie. Happy birthday po. And kahit nasa malayo kayo, gusto lang namin sabihin na super miss na namin kayo dito, kayong tatlo. And sana nag-enjoy po kayo dyan at surrounded kayo ng love, good food, at happiness, syempre, ngayong birthday nyo. And wish ko lang po na lagi kayong healthy, masaya, at blessed sa mga ginagawa nyo. And hindi man po tayo magkakasama ngayon, please know na nandito lang kami, always cheering for you and loving you from afar. So, we love you, Ninang. Enjoy your special day and hope to celebrate holidays and birthdays together again soon. Happy birthday po ulit. Regards kay Hans and kay Ninong Abril. Bye!
Hi! Good afternoon! How are you? Message ko sa'yo, Angie. Happy birthday. Sana magkaroon ka pa ng maraming ng birthday. Happy golden birthday. At sa inyo, Abril, Hans, magpapakabait kayo dyan. Ingat-ingat. Okay, bye-bye.
Look at what we would be missing.
Go.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, Mommy. I love you.
Hi Mami, happy birthday. Thank you sa lahat ng effort, sa lahat ng hard work na binigay mo sa family nito para lang magkaroon tayo ng comfortable na buhay dito sa Canada. At nandito lang ako for you, kami ni Daddy. And yun lang, love you. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi Siri, happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday, 50 years of existence sa mundo. Pasensya na, ito yung ambiance ko kasi wala akong place para gawin tong birthday greetings na ito para sa'yo. So medyo umambon pa nga. Happy ako sa iyong kaarawan at maraming salamat sa pagiging isang mabuting ina, sa pagiging isang mabuting may bahay. Maraming salamat. Masaya ako dahil sa celebrate natin yung birthday mo. So though wala sila kuya, pero somehow okay na rin kasi alam naman natin na wala sila yung presensya nila, wala. So, pero yung pagmamahal nandun pa rin naman. So okay yung ayun, okay, yun lang. So maraming salamat ulit. Wala akong masyadong masabi kasi hindi ko more than words naman para express yung pagmamahal, yung pasasalamat, yung appreciation namin na sa lahat ng ginagawa mo, sa lahat ng pag-intindi mo sa amin, through ups and downs, sa daily life, daily struggles, daily blessings. Maraming salamat. Maging masaya ka sa birthday mo, sa kaarawan mo, itong napaka-special na birthday kasi half century, so talagang special to, golden years, golden girl. So maraming salamat. So, happy kami, most probably lahat naman So maging masaya at ma-enjoy mo sa itong very special year para sa iyo. So dito na lang muna, huwag mo malilimutan, mahal na mahal ka namin. So dito na lang muna at ingat ka lagi at huwag mo kalilimutan yung health mo, huwag mo pababayaan yung health mo, huwag masyadong paka-stress sa work. Yun lang. Maraming salamat. I love you so much. Bye.